Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport Altitude. Coming in this nice yellow coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2-liter engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we got a tow hitch receiver. Right now it just has a hook on it. You got a dual exhaust, full-size spare tire with the aftermarket rims on it, and backup camera. You do get the hard top on this vehicle with the Rhino rack, which is pretty handy for handling all your goods. You got the lift kit on here with the rims on the side, beefy off-road wheels, Fox shocks, which is pretty nice, rock rails, got heated door mirrors. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, which is pretty handy during the winter months, and these nice Fender flares, aftermarket LED lights all over the front of this vehicle. You got a front view camera. We got a winch kit for all your hauling necessities, and that nice classic Jeep Grille. Okay, taking a look in the back here, this vehicle will seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. The seats are just taken out, but you do get quite a bit of cargo space as well. Tie downs for all your cargo. You will have storage under here as well. You can access your jack from right here, and it gives you examples on where to put all your door hinge bolts when you take off your roof and doors. Got that nice hardtop with the sound deadening headliner. Your body's molded to the outside coloring, 12 volt, and all that fun stuff. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver and passenger seat with black cloth interior. Will be the same for the back seats. Got carpeted interior up front. Got the Wrangler logo, got a nice cargo net here, some brown leathering on the door, powered windows, you got your locks, lights, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 64,698 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control, got some nice little carbon fiber accents, toggle for your screen, phone, voice, and media, modes and volumes behind the steering wheel, and taking a look at our screen here, we got a digital speedometer, vehicle info, off-road info, fuel economy, trip info, stop start, audio, messages, screen setup, all that fun. And to my right, we got our center console here with tons of storage. You even get your little storage underneath. Pretty handy, and you can move this for additional more storage. Got your cup holders, parking brake, 4-wheel drive, gear select. Your aftermarket lights will just be right there. 12 volt, windows, media controls, USB, USB-C, and aux. Grab handle, storage on the dash. You do get a digital rear view camera, and it's also a dash cam, which is pretty handy. Got that nice little camera here as well. And we got dual climate up front, tune browse, heated front seats, auto stop out start, traction, trail control, screen off, with heated front seats, heated steering wheel. You got your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your media controls right here. Climate controls can also be found up here as well. Pretty nice, or you can use it down there. Any apps will be found here as well. Audio, radio, all that jazz. Your backup camera. Gonna exit out of there. Phone, audio, all that jazz. And shifting to reverse, you do get that lovely backup camera again, as well as up there. Totally up to you. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE42415A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.